And now we are going to move to the next section. It is about biotechnology applications. Biotechnology includes low-level biotechnology, middle-level biotechnology, and high-level biotechnology. Living creatures used to develop biotechnology are animals, plants, or microorganisms. The first application of biotechnology is the application of biotechnology in industrial sector. In this sector, microorganism is often used because its fast process of breed medium needed is relatively cheap and it does not need big area to produce it. Biotechnology in industrial sector can be used to produce food and non-food ingredients. The first one is single-cell protein. Modern technology to make single-cell protein is started in 1879 in England. Modern technology to make single-cell can be processed by photosynthesis or fermentation depending on the chlorophyll content. The next one is foreign protein. A lot of foreign protein produced by microbial cell is unstable and it needs a lot of genetic manipulation to repair the recombinant DNA molecule that is probably unstable. If this protein is used by human, it will be a weight for the company who produced it. The last one is antibiotic. A lot of antibiotics nowadays are produced by microbes like kanamycin, rifamycin, and tetracycline. In this era, humans can clone the gene which control the formation of antibiotic into microorganism. For example, is E. coli. The next application of biotechnology in industrial sector is for hormone production. Microorganisms are used to produce hormones with DNA manipulation. The examples of hormones are insulin, growth hormone, cortisol, and testosterone. Insulin production is made by transplanting the genes that encode insulin into the bacterial plasmid. Bacteria with recombinant DNA then divide. This bacteria will then produce the insulin needed. Insulin can be used to cure diabetes mellitus, which is caused by a lack of insulin in our body. And this is insulin. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas gland to regulate blood sugar levels. The next application is for amino acids and proteins or enzymes production. The first one is amino acids. Amino acids are produced microbiologically through direct fermentation, where microorganisms produce amino acids in a standard fermentation process, or through an enzymatic process, where microorganisms as sources of enzymes and enzymes are used in the production process. The next is enzymes. Enzymes are commercially produced from fungi and bacteria. The production process is usually aerobic and the culture medium is the same as that used in antibiotic fermentation. Microorganism enzymes produced in large quantities in a basic industry are bacterial proteases, used as additives in washing detergents.
Application of biotechnology in fragrance and flavoring production. The industry has made use of microorganisms to produce compounds that smell and smells good. For example, benzyl alcohol compounds produce fruit-flavored sediment by Valinus tremulous microorganism. Citronellal compounds produce odorous smells of rose by termites and odorata microorganism. 6-pentyl alpha-pyrene compounds produce coconut-flavored sediment by Trichoderma viridae microorganism, and many other examples and not mentioned above. Application of biotechnology in the health sector. First, monoclonal antibody technology can be used to find the cause of human disease. Single-clone antibodies are not only more effective than the other drugs to prevent kidney rejections, but the side effects caused are small. Next, manufacture of antibiotics. Antibiotics are metabolic products produced by certain microorganisms with properties that inhibit growth or damage other microorganisms. Antibiotics are used to fight infections caused by pathogenic microorganisms or the cause of disease. Next is making vaccines. Vaccines are used to protect or prevent the body from disease. Conventionally, vaccines are made from the weakened microorganism, bacteria or viruses, or toxins produced by this microorganism. Last is manufacture of insulin. Insulin is a protein to control sugar metabolism in human body. If the insulin level in the body is less, sugar in the body will increase and cause diabetics. Application of biotechnology in the environmental field. First, insect repellent that can transmit disease to humans, such as eradicating mosquitoes that spread malaria by using heptachlor. Malaria is now resistant to DDT, which has been used for years to eradicate pests. Second, biogas is combustible gas produced from the fermentation process of organic matter by anaerobic bacteria. Biomass is all organic matter that has the potential to be converted into energy in the form of solid, liquid, or gas to produce heat and electricity. Biodiesel is an alternative fuel from renewable sources that are environmentally friendly with the composition of fatty acid esters from vegetable oils. Bioremediation is the cleaning of environmental pollutants by using fungi and bacteria. 6. Waste management using bacteria and protozoa. Application of biotechnology in agriculture. First, development of GMO plants which have the following properties. First, tolerant of certain chemicals. Second, resistant to certain pests and disease. Third, have special properties. Fourth, can take nitrogen from the air. 5. Can adapt to bad environments. Next is tissue culture. Tissue culture is a technique for growing parts of plants, whether in the form of cells, tissues, or organs in aseptic condition in vitro. Last is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a process of changing genes in the body of living things by isolating and identifying and multiplying genes as desired. Biotechnology application in the mining sector. Thiobacillus peroxidans are bacteria that are used to release metals from rock mineral traps. This bacterium was discovered in 1947 when Arthur Colmer and M.E. Hinkle from the University of Virginia could identify the bacteria. Many countries develop or apply biotechnology. Among the metals that have been successfully removed are uranium, cobalt, gold, nickel, zinc, lead. In addition, 10% of copper in the United States is obtained this way.